heading to Brooklyn, Mississippi to go do some kayaking on the Black Creek Canoe trip. It's supposed to be 29 miles we're going to do on Black Creek, and it's supposed to be 2 nights and 3 days, but this trip can easily be done in 1 night and 2 days. So that's what we're going to do. We'll start tomorrow on Wednesday. We'll finish up Thursday evening, pack our stuff up from there, and then we're going to head just northwest of Hattiesburg to the Oklahoma River, spend the night there, get up the next morning and do 13 miles on the Oklahoma. Yeah, I made it into Brooklyn, Mississippi about 8:20 last night. Slept in the back of the car. Didn't have nowhere to set a tent up, but I slept pretty good. It was a little warm, but about 3 o'clock it finally cooled off for me. And we're looking at about 10:30 now, and we finally get into the creek, got dropped off. We're about to go ahead and head down river. We got 29 miles to the end. It's supposed to be a 3-day, 2-night trip, but I believe we're going to turn this into a 1-night, 2-day trip. Get out of here tomorrow afternoon, and then we're going to head up to the Oklahoma River and do 13 miles up there and see how much fun we can have, and hopefully no incidents. Back there? Yeah. I just catching a little video going under the bridges. Had to make sure there wasn't no water on the front of my lens. Yeah, I forget what he said the name of this bridge here was. Mosby maybe, or Mosley? Because I think he said it was the first bridge after like where we started. I think he said it was a little over a mile down, and then something about 5 or 6 miles past that I think is one camp area. Yeah, we made it about little over 4.5 miles in just over an hour. Been pretty good so far. Brian over there having a picnic at that cool little table there. Only bad thing happened so far. I went to get out of the kayak, wasn't thinking. I had my vape sitting on my lap, and it went swimming. So it's currently sitting on Brian's boat, hoping that it'll dry out and work. If not, I have no vape for the next day and a half. We'll see how things go. Hey, these little shady spots are nice. Get a little breeze every now and then. Hey, Brian. I'm recording you, recording me. I got a nice little sand beach right here. That wouldn't be a bad place to set up a little tent for the night if you don't have to worry about rain. If you got any rain coming through, this creek can rise up pretty fast by several feet. But we've only gone a little over 6 3/4 miles so far, and we're shooting for about 15 miles today. The whole trip's I think 29 on this one that we're doing. So we want to make it at least a little bit over halfway, and then get up in the morning, head out again. Right now I'm floating backwards, but Feels pretty good. Got a little breeze blowing. Looks like the current's about to spin me back around. Maybe. It's trying to. Yeah, current just caught me and spun me around now. But I have to check the map on our next stop. We're supposed to go through part of the DeSoto National Forest. I just don't know if it's going to only be on one side of the creek, or if it's on both sides and we're going directly through it, or border, or what it is. I'll have to check the map. I had Brian back there catching up. He stopped to play around with a rope swing. He didn't do any swinging on it, but he grabbed it and hung out for a second. He's recording his video. There come Brian. He catching up. He was back there playing with a rope swing.
Being lazy, just drifting.
That's me. How you liking it so far?
Yeah, pretty good. Getting a little hot, but no, it's bad.
And Brian decided to take a nap there. We're gonna see if he runs into anything. They got a bunch of trees coming up there on the left. See if he'll bump off of them, jump and fall off. Well, we made the halfway point, so just over 14.65 miles right now. Got 29 total. So it's 4:15. Let's see where we make it to around 5 o'clock or so and make a decision. Yep, starting day 2. We done 19.25 miles yesterday and made us a camp on this beach here for the night. I think we was in bed, what, 8:30 maybe? Somewhere between 8 and 8:30, and slept to about 7:30 this morning. So we got about another 10 miles to go. So we're gonna get on down river and see what we can find. Yeah, I didn't realize we were making it to the bridge here that quick. We only got about a quarter mile left. The guy told us to send them a message or whatever about an hour before we were ready to take out, but we didn't realize we were at the bridge already, so it ain't gonna take an hour to go a quarter mile. So we may wait a little bit, but we'll find some shade and water and sit around and relax for a minute until they get here. I think he said it takes them about 45 minutes to get here.